Peony, again one that we don't typically grow here. Doesn't do well in our summer heats. All right, and we typically don't get enough cold for it to do all that well either. Again, we got a lot of cold this last winter, so this one's coming up and actually might even bloom if it doesn't get too hot before. All right,
Peony.
This was one that we grew in the greenhouse and it was getting ready to bloom, and then it got thrips in there, and so whatever. All right, look for, this is all one leaf, so very much dissected. Okay, I'm gonna pull this off. All right, very much a lobed leaf, a number of different leaflets, almost like a, almost sort of trifoliate, but there's a number of different, numbers of leaves, exactly, very much fused. And then there's no necessarily rhyme or reason sometimes for the amounts of little lobings and things that are there. It's relatively interesting, okay? All right, look at the where the petiole meets the leaflets though. Okay, you'll typically have sort of a reddish cast to that particular point on the petiole. All right, and then you also have the fact that the petiole is a concave. All right, so there's actually a little bit of a trough that runs on the top of this petiole, and water will run down that to the actual plant. Okay.
Does it kind of falcate the leaflets?
Yeah, venation is very prominent, all right, on the backside especially, all right. But a glossy green, this one especially, okay, you can get some that are a little bit lighter green than that, but a lot of that probably has to do with some form of fertility or whatever the case is, all right. Okay, and then once you get these flowers up, there'll be singles or doubles, flowers that are maybe 6 inches in diameter, probably max, but whites, pinks, reds that are really pretty, purples I suppose, and sort of got a nice frilly appearance to them. Okay, peonies typically we get to be sort of shrubby up north, I suppose.
Yeah.
But here you'd be really lucky to grow one this size. But up north, what are they, 4 or 5 foot tall?
Yeah, they're really big.
And really nice shrubs.
Giant flowers.
Yeah.
They're one of the showiest things.
Exactly, and we can't do that here. So, all right, let's go to the next one. We're sort of running out.